Welcome. If you're looking to find all your Instagram highlights history by date using your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, you can now easily browse, filter, and locate your highlights directly from your browser. No need for the mobile app. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred browser and head to Instagram's official website. Log into your account to access your profile and all its features. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Menu to expand the full list of features available to you. From the expanded menu, find and click on your activity. This section gives you a detailed overview of everything you've done on Instagram, including posts, comments, and most importantly, your highlights. Now, scroll down to the Photos and Videos section. Here, you'll spot the Highlights option. Click on it to view all your Instagram highlights in one place. To find highlights from a specific date, look for the Sort and Filter button at the top of the Highlights section. Click on it, and you'll see options to filter your highlights by date. Select the date or date range you're interested in. After choosing your desired dates, click Apply. Instagram will instantly show you all the highlights that match your selected time frame, making it super easy to revisit your favorite moments or locate specific memories. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now track down any of your Instagram highlights by date, right from your desktop browser. This update is perfect for anyone who wants to organize, relive, or manage their story. Highlights without switching to the mobile app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more of Instagram's new features to make the most out of your experience.